SICOT is special for a host of reasons. And the first and foremost is that it is an international meeting. And we don't get an opportunity in orthopedics or, quite frankly, musculoskeletal medicine to get such a rich and diverse group of participants at the same place at the same time.
Je suis membre de la SICOT depuis plus d'une quinzaine d'années. Et donc, ça nous permet de voyager dans des congrès donc mondiaux et de rencontrer beaucoup de médecins, d'échanger les idées.
And when you put a lot of interesting, intellectual, thoughtful people in the same room at the same time, great things can happen.
Budapest is going to organize the 41st SICOT Orthopedic World Congress. Would be happy to overlap Montreal.
So I find this place beautiful, excellent, wonderful. I'm having lots of fun here.
Excellent weather, excellent facilities, and your underground city is the best I have seen.
It's fantastic. I'm totally in love with Montreal.
That's wonderful. I mean, this is us. You know, you have the lounge music, you have a circus. Montreal is city of circus, and people are enjoying that very much.